It's a touch screen. Yeah, you can't touch a screen.
Oh.
Right?
Huh.
So
Go. Rock and roll.
Recording?
Come on.
There we go.
Yeah. Woo! Are they mashing?
They are mashing. Yes,
awesome. So it's getting to work?
You can come on in and take a quick picture of how it's mashing.
Make sure it's good.
Yeah, that's good. Take a look. See?
Awesome. Okay, you're going to have to go up and down.
Boy, for somebody who didn't even know this would work, all of a sudden you have all the instructions on how to make it work. I think I'm doing a pretty good job. What do you folks think?
Oh, they're looking pretty mashy. They're all mashy. You like that? As long as they don't get lumpy, I'm happy. That'll work.
Lumpy?
Yeah, they can get lumpy.
Really?
Yep. How ingenious of you. That must mean our, oh, I gotta do the corn now. Oh, good. So I'm gonna shut it off now. Ooh, good job.
Mashed potatoes.